Am I audible? Am I audible? Can you please confirm? Yes, all of you must confirm it. Very good. So now it is the time to see to move forward. So last class, if you remember, what is our last class discussion, guys? What is our last class discussion? Operations on files. What is the need of files? What is the need of files? Can you tell me quickly? Different ways where different things I explained. What is the need of files? To get the data persistency. What do you mean by data persistency? What do you mean by data persistency? To store the data permanently. To store the data permanently. Yeah. How many ways are there to get the data permanently? How many ways are there to get the data permanently? Two ways are there to get the data permanently. Okay. One is called what? By using files. One more is by using what? One more by using what? Database softwares. Very nice. Database softwares. Very good. Now, it is a time to see to move forward. How many operations we can perform on the files, my dear students? Two types of operations. Yeah, two types of operations. One is called what? Write. Right, ma'am? Very good. Read and write operations. Read and write operations. Operations on files. Operations on files. We started operations on files. Okay, right. Two types of operations we can do. Right. One is called write operation. One more is called read operation. So in the write operation, write operation, this operation is used for transferring temporary data from main memory into the file of secondary memory. So steps for write operation: choose a file name and then mode of writing, exceptions during that, and a read operation. These are all those things explained for you. Now in today's class, we are going to talk about file opening modes. I'm going to explain what? File opening modes. I'm going to explain. Okay, students. And dear students, please don't leave in middle of the session. Please attend a complete class up to 7:50. I will take the class. If you leave in middle of the session, you will get a problem. You will get a problem. I am telling to you once again, because further classes you cannot understand. So I will go on. I will take up to 7:50. Even up to 8 also I can take, because our class time is 6 to 8. Because first 10 minutes I am waiting for you where you are going to join. Because I used to join in the class sharp 6, 6:62, 6:5, like that I will join. I will wait for you up to 6:10 and I will start the session. And you have seen it already. Sharp 6:10 I used to be in the class. Sharp 6:10 I used to say good evening for all of you. Am I correct? From the beginning onwards, are you observing that? Yes. So please, all of you, my dear students, please maintain the consistency of understanding the class. Okay, my dear students. Now I am going to enter into today's session is file opening modes. File opening modes. I'm going to talk about it. Right, my dear students. Let us start. The thing is file opening modes. File opening modes. So what exactly these file opening modes are? What is the meaning of this file opening modes? All these things I just want to discuss. What are the file opening modes? I just want to discuss. Very simple, my dear students. Let us start with the file opening modes. Yes, simple. Now I am going to start. Simple things. File opening modes. Very easy. Right. So, and after this discussion is over, I'm going to start the next topic called syntax for opening the files. Syntax for opening the files. That is the next topic we are going to enter. That is the next topic I'm going to enter. File opening modes. That is, next I'm going to enter into syntax for opening the files. Right, ma? Syntax for opening the files. Just for 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Yes, my dear students, let us continue the session. Let us continue the part. So what exactly file opening modes? I will continue file opening modes. Today's class, we are going to enter into the detailed discussion. What are the file opening modes? So file opening modes makes us to understand in which mode we are opening the files. File opening modes makes us to understand in which mode the file is opening and what is its purpose. I am going to explain. File opening modes makes us to understand in which mode we are opening the file. Now if you listen the complete concept, now you will understand like anything. In which mode we are opening the file. Okay, right. Now we have seen in the operations of the file, you see write operation, we are opening the file in which mode? Write mode. Read operation, we are opening the file in which mode? Read mode. Generally every Python faculty will tell two types of modes only, but we are going to tell 7 opening modes. Right, my dear students? In Python programming, we can open, we have 7 file opening modes. We have 7 file opening modes. They are number one, R. Number two, second one is W. Number 3, append mode. What is the meaning of that? I will explain. Number 4, next is called R plus. Number 5, W plus. Number 6, A plus. Next, number 7, it is called what? X. These are the file opening modes. How many file opening modes are there? All of you, how many file opening modes are there? 7, which is very easy to remember. R, W, A, and then R plus, W plus, A plus. First R, W, A, plus, plus, plus. Now last is called X mode. We are going to discuss that things. Very, very easy and little tricky, and please understand me. First I will talk about the R mode. Okay, where we are going to get it? These modes we are using in syntax for opening the files. There we are going to use it. That's why I'm going to discuss in the beginning of the class only how to open the files. Okay, R mode. We are going to use R mode. Very simple, my dear students. Look at that, how easy they are. What is the purpose of this mode? R mode is used for, this mode is used for opening the file in which mode? Read mode. Opening the file in read mode. This mode is used for opening the file in read mode. Good. Next, I am going to talk about this mode is used for opening the file in read mode. The default mode of this mode is the default mode. This mode is used for opening the file in read mode. Okay. Next one we are going to talk about it. What is the next one? We are going to talk about it. The default, this is one of the default mode. See, if I want to open the file in write mode, W, A, I have to specify these modes compulsory. If I did not specify any file opening mode, by default, what is the mode here? Read mode. What is the default mode of the file? Read mode. Read, R mode. You have to say R mode, you need to say. My dear students, tell all of you R mode. Okay. Now, what is the default file? What is the default file, my dear students, all of you? What is the default file, my dear students? Text file, very good. text file. How many types of files are there? How many types of files are there? Super. 2 types of files are there. Text file, binary file. Text file indicated by what? Text file indicated by what? T. Super. Binary file is indicated by what? B. B. Binary file is indicated by B. Excellent. Okay. Super. Next. How many types of modes are there? How many types of modes are there? 7. Good. Good. What is the default mode? What is the default mode? Default mode R mode. Very good. Very good. R mode. Srinivas, please switch off your video. Please switch off your video, Srinivas. You are outside of your home and you are showing all the traffic. Right. Now, this is one of the, now I am writing, this is one of the default mode. This is one of the default mode. Super. R mode, this is one of the default mode. This is one of the default mode. Good. Next, second one I am going to talk about it. Second one I am going to talk about it. What is the second one I am going to talk about it? W mode I am going to talk about it. W mode I am going to talk about it. Yes, W mode I am going to talk about it. Fine. W mode. What is this a W mode is, my dear students? I will use it. What is the purpose of this mode? When I want to open the file in write mode, I will use W mode. This mode is used for opening the file in which mode? W mode. This mode is used for opening the file in read mode. This mode is used for creating the file and opening it and opening that file, opening that file in which mode? Write mode. This mode is used for creating the file. It will create the file and opening that file in write mode. Is it understandable? Is it understandable? This mode is used for creating the file and opening that file in read mode, write mode. Okay, my dear students, one important situation I will tell you. 2 points I will write you. One is called, all of you, my dear students, new file opening, and then existing file opening. I just want to tell you. Existing file opening. 2 things I want to talk about it. How you understand, I don't know, but a little intelligence is required. Of course, you are all intelligent students. Try to get me quickly. Right? This mode is always used for. This mode is always. See, my dear student, used for creating the file and opening the file in write mode. Okay, this sentence is ultimate. It is more than enough, but I want to give you. Let me tell you this new file opening and existing file opening. Dear students, take one example. First day when you came to my class, you came to my class with a beginning new notes. Am I correct? You came to my class with what notes, my dear students? New notes you came. Okay, that day I asked you to write the notes. So you have opened which file, ma? Which file? New notes. Opened in which mode? W mode. So that time what is creating that new file, opened it in which mode? Write mode. And I started writing from which page onwards? First page onwards. Super. First page onwards. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, sir. Come on. Only 70% of the people are interacting with me. Rest of them not interacting, please. All of you. Yeah, if you interact, it is better for you. You will continue with me until course is over. Okay, right. See, W mode, I can use to open the new file. If we open new file in W mode, in which mode, ma? W mode, then if we open new file in W mode, then it will be created. It will be created newly. It will be created newly and opened, and we can write the data. We can write the data. We can write the data from the beginning of the file. From the beginning of the file. Beginning of the file. Am I clear? Beginning of the file. If we open new file in W mode, then it will be created newly and opened, and we can write the data. We can write the data from beginning of the file. If we, now this is a very serious point. This one is serious point. Second day you came, second day, third day, fourth day. Which nodes you are bringing? Existing nodes you are bringing. Existing nodes. Do you know, students? If I open the existing file in W mode, listen very carefully. If we open the existing file in W mode, do you know it is opened in write mode and it overlaps the existing data. Always starts writing from the beginning of the file only. Sir, how to append the data? Then I will go for which one? A. It will overwrite the exactly. Rajaram, exactly correct. Rajaram, exactly correct. If we open SEMA existing file in, if we open existing file in which mode? W mode. Then if we open existing file in W mode, then it will be opened. It will be opened. It will be opened. It will be opened in which mode? Write mode. It will be opened in which mode? Write mode. If we open existing file in W mode, then it will be opened in write mode. And new data, and the data starts writing from beginning of the file. Beginning of the file. Beginning of the file. By overwriting, by overlapping, I can write by overlapping existing data. Existing data. This is a very, very important point. Capital letters I will write it. Overlapping of what? Overlapping existing data. If we open existing file in W mode, then it will be opened in which mode? Write mode, and the data starts writing from beginning of the file by overlapping existing data. By overlapping existing data. Is it understandable, my dear students? Is it understandable, my dear students, all of you? Yes. Super. Now I am asking one question. Dear students, all of you listen very. Today, I opened a new file. Today we opened new file. I wrote 20 lines, 20 records. How many records? 20 records I wrote. Tomorrow I am coming. I will write, I will open again. Which file I am opening? Existing file. I will write the one more record. How many records are there in that? Carefully tell me. Oh, Mono, perfect. Mono, perfect. Dijan, perfect. Nitin, perfect. Come on, Ramu, perfect. Akila, perfect. Next, Balram, wrong answer. Not 21. 1, Jafar, correct. Shivaram, correct. Yes, Kotesh, Karishma, good. It is only one record because yes, today what I am writing 20 records. Tomorrow if I open the same file in W mode, how many records will be there? Only one record will be there because the 20 records overlapped with them. Starts writing from the beginning. Starts writing from the beginning of the file by overlapping existing data. See, this much clearly I gave you. Dear students, are you okay? Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Very good. Now come on to the point. Sir, Now I want to, same thing, sir. I want to open the file in right, same thing I want, sir. Same to same I want, sir. But I don't want to overlapping, sir. I want to append the data, sir. I want to append the data, sir. I want to append the data. I want to append the data. Yes, ma, Akila, you are asking wrong doubt, ma. You are asking wrong doubt to me. See that? Then data gets lost. How to replace it? Replacement is nothing but this only. You are asking wrong doubt. This is Akila. What you are asking? Then gets a loss. It is not loss. It is called what? It's not loss. Existing data is replaced with that. How to replace, you are asking? It is replacing only. I'm saying that it is replacing only. Overlapping is nothing but what? Replacing the old data with the new data. It is replacing the old data with new data. What you are expecting now? What you are expecting now? You are expecting, sir, old data I want to be there. I want to add the new data. That is called append. A. Are you understanding, ma, Akila? Akila, this is your doubt, na, ma? Yes, that is your doubt. Sir, I want to rectify that loss of data, sir. That is your doubt. So this doubt is, sir, we are getting that data. How to get that loss? That is your doubt. How to get the loss of data? How to add the new data? How to get the loss? How do you overcome that loss? How to get replaced data, old data? How to get it? Old data with what data? New data. This is your doubt. Okay, ma? Right. For that, I will go for A only. See, my dear students, this mode is used for opening the file. Same to same, my dear students. Same to same. A stands for append. A stands for append. My dear students, first of all, it is what? Append, that is called append. A mode that is called. A stands for append mode here. This mode is always used for creating the file and opening the file in write mode. Write mode only. Append stands for indirectly. It is the advanced flavor of W mode is called A mode. Sir, what is happening here? In the A mode, it is going to be two things. If the file is, Seema, if the file is new file, if the file is new file, and the mode is, if the file is new file, and if we open in which mode? A mode, then it will be created newly. It will be created newly in which mode? Newly and opened in. Same thing as first statement. I am writing in detail. Opened in which mode? Write mode, and starts writing the data. And starts writing the data. From where? Beginning of the file. Starts writing from the beginning of the file. If the file is a new file, and if we open in A mode, then it will be created newly and opened in write mode and starts writing the data from beginning of the file. Right or not? Starts writing from the beginning of the file. Next, I'm going to talk about if the file is existing file, and if we open it into, I'm writing, if the file is what file? Existing file. If the file is existing file, and if we open in which mode? Right, A mode, then it will be opened in which mode? Write mode. And if the file is existing file, and if we open in A mode, then it will be opened in which mode? Write mode. And and new data added at the end of new data appended new data appended. That means or new data added at the end of existing data, at the end of existing data. Existing data is nothing but what? Old data. Am I correct? Is it okay? New data appended. This word I will write it in capital letters. Appended. It is what? Overlapping. It is what? Appended. That's why this name is deserved as A. Are you understanding? Right. Come on. Are you okay? Is it understandable, my dear students? Yes, sir. Fine. This is called what mode? R mode, A mode, W mode. How many modes are there? How many modes are there? How many? 7 modes are there. What is the default mode out of 7? What is the default mode out of 7? Super. What is the difference between W mode and A mode? W mode and A mode is just different in the case of existing file. Existing file, W mode, overlapping the existing data. A mode, existing file, appending the data. Clarity I am giving. So much clarity I am giving. Okay, now? Yes. Fourth one I am talking. Yes, look at that. R mode. Yes, ma, Rajaram, exactly correct. Yeah. Now coming to the R mode, W mode, etc. Yes, Harsha. Yes, ma. Yeah. So this is the difference is called what? Overlapping and appended only. That is only the difference. Now I am talking plus symbol is there, ma. Here you must be so sensitive. This is also very, very sensitive, ma. All of you, my dear students, please be careful. Like how you are understanding here, also try to catch me quickly. R mode. R mode. Yeah, very, very easy also. This plus meaning is, all of you quickly understand, this plus meaning is it will carry its old operation plus plus means what? It will perform other operation also, which is not able to perform here. It will perform other operation also. What is the other operation when you take R here? What are the operations you are performing generally? Read and write. What is the purpose of R? Opening the file in read mode, and we can read the data from the file. Am I correct or not? This mode is used for opening the file in read mode, and we can read the data, and we can read the data. We can read the data from the file. If it exists, provided, I will add this word, provided the file exists. Otherwise we get what? Otherwise we get what I told you. Otherwise we get what error I told you. Exception you will get it. File not found error. Am I correct, students? Am I correct, students? Yes, ma? Yes. Good. So we will get it. Yesterday's class only I told you. Yeah. Coming to the right mode, ma. Right mode you come. Coming to the right mode. W mode. Here, what are we doing? We will open the file in write mode, and then we opening the write mode, and then we will write the data. Right? And we can write the data from the beginning of the file. Now, R plus mode is used for opening the file in read mode only, and we can read the data from the file if the file is existing. Otherwise, we get what? File not found error. Additionally, same operation here also. Same operation, same. Opening the file in read mode, and we can start reading the data from the file. Otherwise, we will get that. And the next is with this mode, we can also perform. With this mode, we can also perform we can also perform which operation? Write operation after reading is over. After reading is completed. After reading operation is completed. After reading operation is completed. See the exception name? Plus meaning is it will perform or plus it will do other operation also. It will perform other operation also. Or plus mode. This mode is used for opening the file in read mode, and we can read the data from the file provided the file exists. Otherwise, we get file not found error. With this mode, we can also perform write operation after reading operation is completed. With this mode, we can also perform write operation after reading operation is completed. Simple. So, R plus mode, what you can do? I can do read plus indicates what? Additional mode I can do. What is an additional mode? Only write operation. Good. Only write operation. Coming to next 5. I'm going to talk about the 5. Now you will get the difficulty. Now you will get the difficulty. Now I will go for which mode, ma? W plus I will take it. W plus I will take a W plus. Tell me, if you are understanding, tell me what is the purpose of it, please. What is the purpose of it, please? What is this mode called? W plus mode we can call. What is the purpose of W plus mode? W plus mode. See, ma, Tausif, understand, ma. R plus is doing what? It will read plus write. What is the original operation? R. What it is doing? Plus. Plus means what? Who is that append? Kotesh? Is there any A ma here? Why you are saying append? Who said that word? You are adding your own thing. R plus means what? Read and write only available. Read and write only available. R plus means what? Read and write. What is this W plus? What is W actually? W means what? Write. That is plus indicates what? Read also. W indicates write. Plus indicates what? It can do read also. But what operation is completed? What operation is completed? After writing operation is completed. After writing operation is completed. You can ask a doubt. Sir, difference between R plus and W plus. I told you clearly. First you have to do which operation here? Which operation you have to do? Read operation. After that, with this mode, we can also perform write operation. After performing what operation? After performing read operation. After performing what operation? Read operation. Are you understanding? W plus, this mode is always used for creating the file in write mode. If the new file is there, everything as it is, actually as it is similar, but I can say here, I can say this mode, with this mode, I can write that points as it is. With this mode, we can also perform what? We can also perform which operation? Read operation after performing which operation? Write operation. Write after performing which operation? Write operation. After performing write operation. With this mode, we can also perform read operation after performing write operation. After performing write operation. We can also, with this mode, we can also perform read operation after performing write operation. Right. After performing write operation. W plus mode. What this is doing? Same to same. So I cannot write this mode is similar to, I can write similar to what? W mode. Similar to W mode, but I don't want to write this for the sake of the nodes. This mode is similar to write operation. Additionally, with this mode, I can say, additionally, with this mode, we can perform read operation also. We can also perform read operation after performing write operation. I hope, but I don't want to write for the sake of the nodes. I will take these points as it is. I will take these points as it is. Because one additionally we are taking, that's it. Additionally we are taking as it is. This mode is always used for creating file and opening that file in write mode. If we open the file in W mode, then it will be created. It will be created. It will be created 1 minute more. It will be created. Yes, it will be created newly. It will be created newly and opened and we can create the data from beginning of the file. If we open existing file in W mode, then it will be opened in write mode and the data starts writing from the beginning as it is similar to that. Additionally, with this mode, we can also perform read operation when after performing write operation. You will first question you will ask, sir, what is the difference between W mode, W plus and R plus? Both of them, here the word itself says read, write. This is called what? Read and write. And don't think this is called what? This is called what? Write, read. Write and read. And don't think that both of them are same. It is not 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. It is not like that. Reading, later you are writing. Here, first writing, then here what? Yes. I hope you are understanding. I think so. I hope you are understanding. I think so. Are you understanding, my dear students? Right, mark, please confirm it, all of you. Is this a W plus and R plus is okay? Yes. Simple, students. Yeah. Perfect. Now I am going to say W plus mode is done. Next, I am going to say one more kind of thing that is called what? A plus. Now you tell me, what is actually A? It is one of the additional flavor of what? A plus mode I want to write it. Sixth one I am going to take A plus. A plus. With A, what we can do? See, with A, we are doing new file opening, new file opening, and existing file opening. New file opening, existing file opening. Here, with A plus, what additionally we are doing? Yes, please, what additionally we are doing? Additionally we are doing. What are we doing additionally? We are appending reading also. Yes, after which operation? Write operation is over. Same to same. This mode is A plus mode is similar to A mode only. But additionally, we are writing read operation also. A plus is nothing but flexibility of writing. It is appending the new data. But additionally, we can do what? Writing also. Reading also, I will do. You may ask a question, sir. There also you are saying, additionally with this mode, we can also perform read operation after performing write operation. After performing write operation. After performing write operation. Are you understanding? Which write operation this is? Appended write operation. Appended write operation. This is called what? Appended write operation. Appended this one. What about this W mode is called overlapping. This is called overlapping. Are you following? Overlapping. Right, guys? Fine. Simple, ma. I can write this mode is similar to A mode, but for the sake of the notes, I will try to take this data. I will try to take this data. I will try to take this data. This mode is always used for creating the file and opening that file in write mode. If the file is a new file and if we open in A mode, then it will be created newly and opened in write mode and starts writing the data from the beginning of the file. If the file is existing file, and if we open in A mode, then it will be opened in which mode? Write mode, and the new data appended. That the new data added at the end of existing data, old data. Additionally, with this mode, we can also perform read operation after performing write operation. That is appending. after performing appending operation. Dear students, any confusions? Any confusion is raised here? I hope I am clear. Right, my dear students? Good. Let us start. Last one is called what? Seventh one is called what? X mode. X mode I am going to talk. X mode I am going to talk. Yeah. Come on to that. This is the most important mode. Yeah. This file is used. This mode is used for. Yes, let me write it. This mode is used for opening the file. This mode is used for creating and opening the file in write mode exclusively. E small, X capital, exclusively. That means this file can open the particular file once in a opening mode. That's it. Once in a time. This mode is used for creating and opening the file in write mode exclusively. It cannot open the existing file in write mode. This mode cannot. This file is used for creating and opening the new file. This mode is used for opening and creating the new file in write mode exclusively. New file only in write mode exclusively. This mode cannot be used, or if we open, see, if we open the, I will tell you the example of it. If we open the existing file in X mode, then we get file exist error. You will get it. File exist error, we will get it. If we open the existing file in X mode, then we get what? File exist error. Now, see, if we open W, take it, W, take it, all of you please. If we use a W mode, see, if we open the new file in W mode, it will be created newly and data written. If we open the existing file, yes, it will be opened in write mode and the data starts writing from the beginning with overlapping. But with the X mode, what is happening? If we open the existing file in X mode, then we get what? File exist error. It cannot open. In other words, I can write in the bracket, it can't open the existing file. It can't open the existing file in which mode? Write mode. It can't open the existing file in which mode? Write mode. It cannot open. Is it understandable? Is it understandable? If we open the existing file in which mode? X mode, then we get what error? File exist error. It can't open the existing file in which mode? Write mode. Yes, sir. Yes, ma, Tausif, exactly correct. Yeah, it exclusively, the meaning itself you try to understand, my dear students. Tausif, exactly correct. What are the words you said? Purely opening the file in where? Write mode, exclusively. Sir, where we can use it, sir? Best example I will tell you. Suppose you are going for, come on to the point of it. Suppose you are a employee working in a company. Every day you need to go for office. So attendance will be maintained by the office, biometric, whatever it might be, the login, logout, etc. So every day, tell me, will they maintain 30 working days, for example, you take it, 30 working days or 25 working days, you take it, some Sundays you remove, for example. Tell me, will they maintain one attendance sheet for 30 days or 30 days, 30 attendance sheets? What is your requirement? What is your requirement? One attendance sheet for all the 30 days. First day, new file. Second day, same file I will open again and again. Which is the best mode, ma? Which is the best mode for the same one? A. Very good, ma. Mono. Super. A is the best mode. Tausif. A is the best mode. Okay. Now I want to what? 30. Jafar, correct. I want to go for what? 30 more, 30 sheets I want. Every day one file. Every day one file. Which is the best mode to open that new file? X mode. Dijan. Yeah. Yes. X mode. Yes, ma. Rajaram. Shubham. Yeah. Everybody. Harsha. Good. Good. X mode. Akila. Good, ma. All of you. X mode I will use. X mode is exclusively opening the file in write mode and starts writing the data. Are you understanding me? You take your university. Every semester they will give you one memo. They will give you one memo for you. One memo. Separate memos they will give you. Exclusively they will create one memo. Am I correct? Did you understand this memo? Did you understand this words, ma? Did you understand this modes, ma? All of you, my dear students, please confirm. Is it clear or any confusion? File opening modes topic is clear. Okay, my dear students, file opening modes. How beautiful example. How many file opening modes are there? How many file opening modes are there? How many file opening modes are there? 7. What? 7 opening modes are there. 7 opening modes are there. Which is the default mode among all these things? Which is the default mode among all these things? R mode, R mode, I think so. R mode, I think so. Yeah, R mode, I think so. R mode, I think so. Fine. So coming to the point of it. So if you say, coming to that, now I'm saying this is done. Now shall I go for that? Now next concept is what, my dear students? I will go for syntax for opening the files. Shall I go for syntax for opening the files? Yes, syntax for opening the files I am going for. Syntax for opening the files. Syntax for opening the files. Shall I go to the syntax for opening the files? Yes, my dear students. How many file opening modes are there? How many file opening modes are there? 7. Super. Very powerful response, ma. 70% of the people are giving the response like anything. But I don't know why others are not giving. Of course, I cannot spell out them because many people are there. I cannot spell out. Please try to communicate with me. What is the default mode among all these things? Read. Read. With R plus what you can do? Just a shortcut you tell me. With R plus what you can do? R plus is equal to read and write. Super. Read and write. With a W plus what you can do? With a W plus what you can do? Write and read. With A plus what you can do? With A plus what you can do? Yes. Write with write. You double A plus I can do. Reading, writing with appending and reading. Writing with appending and reading. Yes or no? Yeah. X mode. Exclusively opening the file. Purely opening the file in what mode? Write mode. Purely opening the file in write mode. Can I open the existing file in X mode? Can I open the existing file in X mode? No. What is an exception is coming? Which exception will come, my dear students? File exist error. Yes, very good. File exist error. It is an exception. Do you know how to handle the exception? Yes, sir. How many keywords are there to handle the exception? 5. Please tell me the 5 keywords. I forget already. What is that? Try, except. Next is called what? Try, except, else, finally raise. These are the keywords. Raise, try, except, else, finally. These are the keywords. Fine. So coming to the point back, syntax for opening the files. Syntax for opening the file. Now I am going to say. What is that syntax you see? Come on to the point of it. Steps for reading, steps for read operation. Choose the file name, open the file name in read mode. To open the file name in read mode, to open the file name in write mode, we must know the syntax for opening the file. Syntax for opening the file. In Python programming, come on to the point. Opening the files. Heading is called what? Opening the files. In Python programming, to open the file, or to perform any type of operation, any type of operation on files, we must open the file. We must open the file in which mode? Write mode. We must open the file. That's it. We must open the file. Okay, my students. In Python programming, to perform any type of operation on files, we must open the file. We have two syntaxes to open the file. We have two syntaxes to open the file. They are, look at, one is by using function called open function. Yes. Next, second one is by using what? With open. Yes. With open. Yes. This is a one you need to remember, ma. This is a one. Be careful. This is a one. Single. This is called what? Syntax. With is a keyword. Open is a function. As is a function. Of course, I am not boasting about my class. Nobody will explain the second syntax, but in real time we use the second syntax only. What is an advantage, sir? Auto closable concept is there. With open, auto closable concept is not there. Sir, what is the just a small difference? You tell me, sir. When you go to old apartments, tell me. When you go to the lift, 4th floor or 5th floor, you want to enter into the lift. What you should do? Manually, you need to open the iron gate. You need to enter inside and you need to manually close the iron gate. Opening, closing, done by you. When you go there in the 4th floor, manually you need to open the gate again. Manually you need to close the gate again. How many times opened? 2 times opened, 2 times closed. Is it not waste of time? Is it not waste of time? Yes, sir. Now go to modern apartments, modern apartments, any hotels, 5-star hotels. When the things are coming to ground floor, what is happening? The lift is automatically opened. Of course, in the syntax number B, we will open the file. Compulsory, programmatically, we must open the file. That is compulsory required. Right. Okay. Once we enter inside of it, automatically, in few seconds of time, will it be closed automatically or not? Yes. What is that facility? When you go to your home, when you go to your destination, automatically we will open it and it will be need not to close. Automatically it is closed in a few seconds. Sensors used inside and that is closed. That is called auto closable. Yes, ma. Yes, Rajaram, correct. After the operation B is completed, once you open the file, automatically file will be closed. What is the first advantage of operation B? The advantage of this operation B is auto closable. Whereas a operation, manually you need to close the file. Nowadays, that type of syntax is not recommended. Everything is automatically closable. Are you understanding? Are you understanding that? Even you take your mobile, you are keeping your screen is auto locked within 2 seconds or 3 seconds. If you did not touch your screen, it is auto locked, auto closable. Am I correct? Yes. So auto closable is the advantage of syntax B. Syntax A is not possible to auto close. That I will show you practically to you. After that we will go for it. Okay students, let us go to the first one is called what? By using open. By using which function? Open. I say open. I will take up this by using open function. What is this open function is? See my dear students, this function is used for syntax only. I will tell you directly syntax. Directly syntax. If you want, you want me to write one sentence, I can write it. This function, what is the function? Open function, open function, like a print function, like a type function, like that. Open function. This function is used for opening the file. Opening the file. Yes, opening the file. In which mode? Opening the file in the specified mode. In the specified mode. I will tell you that. In the specified mode. Sir, let us write the syntax, sir. Syntax you write, sir. What is the syntax? See, my dear students. Yeah. I will take it. Variable name. Variable name is equal to what is it? Open file name, comma, file name. See ma, within the double quotes, file name, comma, file mode, file mode I will say. File mode. How many file modes are there? 7 modes are there. Seven modes are there. Any one of the mode you specify. Who will open? File name is opened in the specified mode. Who is pointing to that file? Variable name is pointing. That's why this variable name is called file pointer we can call. Which pointer, my dear students? File pointer we can call. Let me take one my pointer. Please let me do this. Yeah. So I will just take it. Come on to that. I will take it. Yeah. Come on to the point. So what is opening? File is opening. File is opened in the specified mode. This is pointed by what? File name. Like file is opened, ma. File is opened. Who is pointing to that file? That variable name is pointing. That's why this variable name is called what? File pointer we can call. A file pointer is after all one variable which is pointing to the file. A file pointer is after all one variable which is pointing to the file. Which is pointing to the file. That is called what? File pointer. Did you understand file pointer? Simple, ma. When I open my page, for writing, who is pointing to your file? Who is pointing to your file? Yes, ma. Who is pointing? Okay. Who is pointing? General knowledge I am asking. Pen is pointing. My pen is pointing. Which line you are writing and all. So my pen is an object. Like that, my pen is called a file pointer. This is called a variable name. Is called a file pointer, which is pointing to the file. Right. Now I am giving the explanation. I am giving little explanation. Look at that explanation here. I am saying here. Come on here. Variable name is an object. Is an object of type. Every object will have a type or not? Is of type. Every object will have a type or not? Is of an object type. Class, comma, text IO wrapper. Simple. Here variable name is an object of type. Class text IO wrapper. IO, input output operations are doing. I'll show you the example. Here variable is an object of type class text IO wrapper, and it is treated as what? File pointer. treated as what pointer? File pointer. And it is always, and it is always always pointing to the file, always pointing to the file. Same to same, binary file or text file, whatever it is. I will tell you how to use the binary file and everything. I will tell you that. I will tell you the example. Here, variable name is an object of type class text IO wrapper. It is stated as a file pointer pointing to the file. Okay. What is open? What is open? Open is a predefined function. Predefined function, which is used for opening the file in which mode? Opening the file in which mode? In which mode? Write mode. Opening the file, not schema. Opening the file in the specified mode. Specified mode. Yes, ma. Amitabh, what is your doubt, ma? Amitabh, what is your doubt, ma? Please put your doubt. Yes. Whenever I see your message, not definitely I will respond, ma. Yeah. Amitabh, I am waiting for your doubt, ma. Please. ATM operation is not opening in PyCharm, you are saying. Okay. You do it in Edit Plus, ma. Because ATM operation you are doing in PyCharm. Okay. Whether you are writing the code correctly or not, that is a main important. If you type correctly, it will execute. PyCharm, Spider, anything you take it, because Python code is an international code what we use to write it. Everywhere else it will open. Everywhere else it will execute first of all. When we write the code properly with the indentation, everywhere else, take anything, any IDE, it will execute like anything, provided if you write the code properly. Amitabh, you might be done the error called what? You might be done the error called what? Indentation is a mainly problem. What you have done, I think so, you have copied that Edit Plus code as it is into PyCharm. Because of that, you will get so many errors. Because of that, yes, that is what I expected already. You have copied as it is. You have copied as it is that code. Copied, yes, you are saying yes. Because of that, a lot of indentation problems will come. That's why it won't execute. Right? That's what I can expect now, because this type of problem not only with you. Generally, student will do what? Copy paste. This I said don't do it. This is my humble request for every student of mine. Type it. This is my humble request. If you just copy and paste, it won't maintain indentation, my dear student. Amitabh, it can't maintain, mom. It can't maintain the indentation. Okay? Can I continue my class? Can I continue my class, Amitabh? Yes. Good. Let me move to the further. Yeah. See, open is one of is a predefined function which is used for opening the file in the specified mode. Okay. Next one I'm going to talk about it. File name. It is used to open the file, which is used for opening the file in the specified mode. Okay. Right, Ma Amitabh, no problem. Whenever I see any student message, I will definitely respond to it, because it's my responsibility. I have to tell you the problem. Okay, right, no problem. You are most welcome. Yeah, no problem. I'll most welcome you. Thank you. So next is called file mode. File mode. Next, I'm going to talk about file mode. File mode can be yes, ma, either. Tell me, come on, fast. R, comma, W, comma, A, comma, R plus, comma, W plus, comma, A plus, and what? X. And X. Any one of it. File mode can be either these things. Okay, na? Right. This is the explanation of what I gave you. This is called syntax number 1. Syntax number 1. I want to go for the examples quickly. Quickly, I want to go for the example. Shall I show you the example, ma? Shall I show you the example? Yes, sir. Yes, yes. Now let us go to the example. So go Python. Now I will open it. File, open example1.py. What is my example here? Open kvr.data file in read mode. Open kvr.data in read mode. What is my file name? Open the file kvr.data file in read mode. How do you open it? Open kvr.data file in read mode. How do you open it? How do you open it? I'm going to say. Yes, please. I forget it. How do you do that, my dear students? Yes, I forget. Take the syntax. I said, what is it? Variable name. No problem. Blindly you follow me. That's it. Blindly. Don't do anything. Variable name. What is the variable name, sir? FP. What is FP, ma? What is FP? File pointer. Rhythmic name I am taking. Rhythmic name. You take any name. Any name you take it. Any name. Yes. Quotes P, KP. I will take John P. Yes. Jafar P, ZP. ZP. I will take Mono P, MP. You can take anything, you take it. KVR, I will take KVR. Anything you take it. Rajaram, RR, I can take. Ram Anuj, RA, anything you take, ma, no problem. I will take rhythmically FP, stands for file pointer. What is my file name, my dear students? kvr.data, comma. What is the mode, please? What is the mode, please? R. Is it R? I can happily remove, sir. I can write like this. Okay. If you want, you can write once and all R. Yes, my dear students. Plus R T I am writing. RT. What is that T represents? What is the T represents? Very good. Abhijit. These days I have seen you. Abhijit, are you coming daily, ma? Abhijit, are you coming daily? I hope 1 or 2 days absent, huh? I'm not seeing regularly the responses. I think, are you taking rest or what? Okay, come on, health issue. Take care, ma. Take care. Okay, take care. Okay. So RT stands for what? R stands for read mode and T stands for what? Text file. This is a text file open into which mode? Read mode. Yeah. Now I will say I will not write anything at all. Which file and which mode? Text file and read mode. Comma. I will write what? RT. FP is equal to open of kvr.data RT. Yes. kvr.data comma RT. Yes. Fine. FP is equal to open of kvr.data comma RT. Okay, sir. Now you just execute, sir, once. Yes. Go to that 5 and save it. See, my dear student. Suppose kvr.data is what? It is the name of the file. Suppose if this file is there in C:, D:, etc., I can pass the complete path. Suppose there is a file. What is the file? KVR HYD. There is a file called bank. I will take it. I will take this complete path. C:, HYD, absolute path, and then do you know absolute path and all? Absolute mono. Mono. 1 minute. Mono. Yeah. Now you are asking this question. Of course, it's a good question. Now I need to Sir, we did not import any module, sir, for open function. Very good, Mono. But this module, this function, open function is a predefined function which is present in default module. What is the default module? Which is present in which module? BUILT, INS, built-ins module, which is present in built-ins module. Yes, super, built-ins module, which is known as what module? Default module. Okay, na? Default module. Mono, am I correct? That's why. Is it necessary to import, ma? Is it necessary to import? No, sir. Not at all necessary, sir. FP is equal to open of kvr.data, comma, RT. Super. Come on to the point next. I'm going to take next further. FP is equal to open of kvr.data, comma, RT. Now, if it is somewhere else it is present, I will pass what? Absolute path. Did you understand the absolute path in our packages, ma? Sys.path.append. Sys.path.append. We developed that type of example. And this is, I did not specify any path at all. Which path it is? Which path it is by default? Current path only. Current working folder path only. Current working directory only. It will be taken. Please look into that. Save it. Yes, saved, sir. Please go to that command prompt. Please go to the command prompt. G:\kvr python 6 p.m. Say what files there, sir. Files there, sir. Py, see my file. You will get. It is opening. This file is opening. Let us, before that, you see dir. What is the file name available? Only one file is available. Only this file is available. Do you have kvr.data in this folder? Do you have kvr.data in this folder? No. Is this file is opening in the R mode? Is this file is opening in R mode? No, sir. No, not necessary. Not, sir, not opening. Which exception will come? Which exception will come? File not found error. File not found error. Execute. Py. See, my dear student. See, dangerous error. File not found error. No such file or directory kvr.data. No such file is present. I can handle. Can I handle this file? Can I handle this exception, my dear students? Yes, sir. Try, sir. Try, sir. And write what, sir? Except what is it? File not found error, sir. Fine. File does not exist. File does not exist, sir. Okay. Now you see, sir. See, my dear students. Beautiful. File does not exist. File does not exist. Am I correct? Now, I will remove this RT, sir. I will remove this RT, sir. Open it. Now, same type, same thing, same to same. File does not exist. Did you understand, my dear students? Okay. Still, I will write more and more logic, more and more logical. Right? Wait. 2 minutes. You wait. Now, let us go to the one more example. One more example. I'm going. Wait. I'll show you multiple examples. Yeah. File opening example 2. Open the kvr.data. In which mode, ma? In which mode? First, let us open the write mode. Write mode. Come on. FP is equal to open of. What is my file? kvr.data, comma. Is it mandatory to specify W? Yes. Compulsory. If I don't specify anything there, what is taken? What is taken? Yes, read mode. Super. Yeah, somebody is saying voice is not clear. Who is that? Yes, Kotesh. Take care, ma. My voice is so clear. Is my voice is clear? Yeah, it's clear for everybody. Please, Kotesh, you take ma. Re-log in again. Yeah, compulsory. I must say what? You must say what? W mode. Is it necessary to specify T, ma? Is it necessary to specify T here? No, not necessary, sir. By default, it is a text file only. Okay, sir. Beautiful. Now you say, sir, print Definitely, what is this W mode says? What is this W mode says? See, my dear students, if the new file W mode, then it will be created newly and opened in which mode? Write mode. It is opened, created newly. Yes, newly it will be opened. Yes, newly. Now I say file opened. See, opened successfully. Opened successfully. In which mode? In which mode? Write mode. Okay. File opened successfully in which mode, my dear students? Successfully \n. Write mode. Execute, please. Execute, please, all of you. Yeah. Coming to the point back. File opened successfully in write mode. Yes. Py. File open example 2. What is that answer? File opened successfully in write mode. Check it out whether it is opened or not. Is it opened or not? What is the size? What is the data present inside? Do you have any data present inside? No data, sir. What is the size of the file? 0 bytes, 0 bytes, 0 bytes of data, 0 bytes of data, 0 bytes of data. Is it understandable? Is it understandable? Yes, sir. Now I will go to that. Before beginning program, you go. Now tell me. Open. Now, will it be opened in read mode now? Come on, I'm waiting for your answer. Will it be opened in read mode now? Yes, sir. Now coming to what? Else part I am coming. Else part I am coming. What is that else part? Print. What is that? \n. File opened in which mode? Read mode. Read mode successfully. File opened successfully in read mode. Execute file open example 1. Now you see file opened in read mode successfully. Now I am writing, for example, kvr1.data. Is it there? Is it there in my current memory? No, sir. Execute once again. Which exception will come? Which exception will come? File does not exist. File does not exist. Yeah. Come on. It is kvr.data only. Okay. Now, come on, I will print some information. Yeah, look at that. File mode. Okay, before that, I will say print. Once this file is opened in which mode? Read mode. Print the type of the variable. Type of FP. Type of FP is equal to comma type of FP. What is the type of FP I told you? Text IO wrapper. IO dot text IO wrapper. IO dot text IO wrapper. Not a problem. Just to see, my dear students, has no attribute. What is that, ma? Type of. Okay. Comma, that is. Not dot. Okay. Now see, my dear students, text IO wrapper. IO dot text IO wrapper. Is it understandable? Is it understandable? Yes, sir. What is FP type? What is an FP type? Please remember, this is an important because every object will have a type. Like that, FP also will have a type that is printed. Some of the properties I am printing, please take care. Yeah. Next, I will go for \n. I will give you point by point. I will give you. Okay, some information I want to print it. Yes, some information I want to print it. Some extra information I want to print it. Yeah. Now I'm going to tell you some extra information I'm writing. Yeah. Come on. Now I'm saying file mode. I want to print it. File mode is equal to in the FP object. FP is an object of what? Text IO wrapper. As I told you, A is equal to 2 plus 3j. A is equal to 2 plus 3j. How do you get it? 3? How do you get 2, ma? How do you get 2, everybody? How do you get 2? A dot real. Who is that? Taushif. Please take care, ma. Not real function. Real only. Taushif. First time I hope you are answering wrong. I hope that first time you answered wrong. A dot real. will give you what? 2. 2. Next what? A dot imag. A dot imag, which will give you what? 3. 3. 3. Yeah, super. Like that. What is A? It is an object. Real is a attribute. Like that. TP dot mode. I am using mode. What is the mode? Is an attribute. Here mode is an attribute in file pointer, in FP object. Okay, which will give you the mode. What is the mode? Is by default, what is the mode? R mode. Check it out, execute. TP na FP na? FP. It is called FP. By mistake, I wrote FTP. Yeah. See, my dear students, what is my mode? R. What is my mode? R. What is my mode? R. What is the type of the file? You don't worry. Type of the file I will show you further. Don't worry at this present. Separate discussion is there. Okay. Now I am writing one more thing. File mode. Print of is it readable? Is it readable? Is it readable? Okay. Come on. FP dot readable. FP dot readable. FP dot readable. Yeah. FP dot readable. FP dot readable. Is it readable? Is it readable? Yes. Yes. Yes means what? What is yes means? Yes means what? True. Yes means true. See, my dear students, true. True. Yeah. Simple. Very, very simple. Now I want to write one more. Is writable? Is it writable? Is it writable? Writable. Yes, writable. WRITABLE. Is it writable? Yes. Is it writable? No. Is it writable? No. It is a read mode. Read mode is used for only reading the data. Is it writable? No. No means what? False. Very beautiful. See, my dear students. Readable, true. Writable, what? False. Super. Excellent. Now I am writing print of is it closed? Is it closed? Is it closed? No. Good. You are up to date. Super ma. FP dot closed. See, closed is an attribute. Mode is an attribute. Readable function, writable function, they are available in this object. I can write a note here in the above code. In the above code here. What is the first point? First point is what? Mode and what? Closed are the attributes of file pointer. Next I am going to say what is that? Readable and what? Writable are the functions. At this point of time I am saying are the functions of file pointer. Yeah, close. It is not a function. Yes, quotation. It is not a function, my dear student. It is called attribute. Attribute. See, closed. I am not writing like this. You see, I am not writing like that. Okay. Good. That's why I said attributes. These are called closed. I will write in single quote if you want. Closed. Mode also I will write in single quote, my dear student. Yeah, done. Okay, sir. After this, Now execute, sir. Execute, sir. Now see, sir. Okay, I hope this is terminated. Supposed to be terminated. Okay, na? Yeah. Yes, look at that. File mode is what? R. File mode is R. Is it readable? Yes, sir. True. Is it writable? Yes. False. Is it closed? No, it is not closed. Yes. Perfect. Now come on. Now come on. This FP. This FP. What is this? Please, my dear student, you please come to that. I will print a print of ID of FP is equal to, how do you print the ID of it, ma? ID of what? FP. ID of what? FP. ID of FP. What is that ID, my dear student? 202 309 1192 etc. This is an object pointing to my file or not? Amitabh, closed means I am checking is the file active mode or closed mode, I am asking. Anvita, FP means file pointer, ma. Amitabh, closed means I am checking. Is it in active mode of opening? Is it in closed mode? I am asking. That is auto close or it is in auto close or manual close? I am asking. Amitabh, are you understanding, ma? Yeah. Coming to that, come on. After else block, where it is going? FP I printed. It is called what? ID also printed. What is my ID, my dear student? In my system, this is an ID. In my system, this is an ID. In my system, this is an ID. Coming to the finally block, we said already, finally block is used for what? Closing the resources. Did you understand or not? Closing the resources. Yeah, here you write it. What is the condition? What is the condition? What is the condition? Is the FP in this FP? I'll simply say what? FP dot what? Close. FP dot close. Close is a function. Close is the function. Present in where? Close. Close is the function. Present in where? Comma. Read, comma, writable, and close. And what? Close are the functions of a file pointer. Are the functions of a file pointer. Readable, writable, and close are the functions of file pointer. Close is different. Closed is different. Closed will return either true or false. Close function will close my file. Will close my file. Yeah, Dijan, wait, ma, wait. Come on to the point. FP dot close. I will answer it. Is it closed? Yeah, tell me. Is it closed in finally block? Is it closed in finally block? Yes, sir. It is printed what? True. It is printed true. See, my dear students. See. Is it closed? Yes. Is it closed in before finally block? False. This is called what closing? This is called which closing? Manual closing. Manual closing. Is it not a lengthy code for closing my file? Is it not called lengthy to close my file? Yes. I don't want to go for manual lift to closing. I want to close my file automatically. I want to close my file automatically. Such a type of things are called manual. This is called manual closing. Similarly, I can write the same logic inside of where? Inside of this place also. I can write it. What? Where I can write it? Yes, I can write it. This entire code I can write here also. Whatever the code you have written, I can write this code here also. No issue at all. I can write this part here also. What is it? See, Amitabh, you see, when I copy pasted, see, this is indentation is maintaining. So I have to remove the spaces. I have to remove the spaces. I have to remove. If I don't remove the spaces, now you will get error. See, I did not adjust this space. See, execute this part once, execute this part once. File pointer example 2, you execute, you will get error, indentation error. See, indentation error is coming. This line is an indentation error. So I should not do that. I should do the adjustment. See, my dear student. Yeah, all of you. What is the mode, ma? What is the mode, please? What is the mode? W mode. Is it readable? False. Is it writable? True. Is it closed? No. No means what? False. Okay. Come on. Next. Go to where? Go to where? W plus. W. Okay. A, you go for it. A. Go for A. Go for A. Are you following? Are you following what I'm talking? Yes. It is. I'm saying A mode. File opening mode is A. Is it readable? Is it readable? No. Good. Is it writable? No. Sorry. Is it writable? Yes. Yes. That only verify. Yeah. See that? A. File mode is A. Is it readable? False. Is it writable? Yes. Is it closed? False. Go back. Very, very simple. Now you go for W plus. W plus. W plus. Don't leave the session, ma. Please understand. Still time is there. Still 10 more minutes is there. W plus. W plus means what? Come on. Is it readable? Yes or true? Is it writable? True. Yes. See, my dear students, how beautiful it is. W plus. Is it readable? Yes. Is it writable? Yes. Is it closed? False. Beautiful. Come on, next is called what? R plus. R plus. What is it? Readable, writable. Readable, writable. True. R plus mode. Yes. False. Super answer. Next, A plus. A plus. What is A plus? Same. Readable, writable. True. A plus. Excellent. Are you okay? Is it understandable, my dear students? Is it understandable, my dear students? Yes, perfect. Yes, full clarity. Okay, good. Good sign. Now I will show you which mode, file opening modes. I will show you which mode, X mode. Can I show you X mode? Yes. Yes, all of them are having different IDs, ma. All of them are having different IDs. X mode I want to show you. Simple, sir. I'll go for one more thing. Simple, sir. What is there? One syntax. So, coming to the point back, Python, I will write it. File example 3. Open, what is that? kvr.data in X mode exclusively. Okay, which mode it is? X mode. Is it already existing or not? Yes. Will it be opened up? Will it be opened up? Print. File opened in write mode exclusively. I will write this word. File opened in write mode exclusively. Write mode exclusively. What you will get it here? Is kvr data already existing or not? Yes. But will it be opened now? No. You will get which exception? File exist error. See the exist error. First you see the exception, my dear student. First see exceptions you see. Yeah. Py file exist. Example 3. See that error, ma? File exist error. What we discuss, that is exactly you have to prove it. So I will write here. What is it? Try. I say yes, yes. Here except file exist error. Say what? Print file already already exists. File already exists. Else part I am writing. Else. Now tell me this is done. Okay. Start. kvr.data already exists. File already exists. Okay. See, file already exists. File already exists. Already. Okay. Let me write already. Now I will write kvr1.hyd.data. hyd or kvr1.data. Is it existing in my secondary memory? Is it existing? Is it CSCC here, DIR? Do you have any kvr.data, 1.data here? No. I can go kvr1.data of x. New file is created. No exception will come. Where is it? It is coming to else part. No exception, it will come here. Yes, same happily. You want to see that? You want to see that information once again? You want to see that information once again? ID of it, file opened it. 1 minute ma, 1 minute. I will take it. Yes, this information, I will take it here. Come on, this information maintaining here. Yes, sir. I will take this part of it, else part here. Yes, I say this part \n, some information, say, come on to the point back, some of the information, text IO wrapper, FP mode is an, okay, no problem, execute, file exists, 3, see that file mode is what? Exist. Is it readable? No, sir. Is it writable? Yes, sir. File opened in write mode exclusively. False. Readable? No. Writable? Yes. Is it closed? Yes. No. Now check it out. Check it out. Is kvr1.data created or not? Is kvr1.data created or not? I will run once again. I will run once again. I will run once again the same program. Same program I am running once again. Will it be created? Will it be created? No, sir. Error is coming. See, file already exists. File already exists. See, file opening modes. File opening modes. If we open the existing file in X mode, then we get what error? File exists error. It can't open the existing file in which mode? Write mode. Is it understandable? Is my today's class is clear for all of you? Is my today's class is clear for all of you guys? Right. Files are easy or dead? Files are easy or difficult? Files are easy or difficult? Easy, sir. Very easy, sir. Okay. Very good. Thank you, ma. Thank you for your compliments. Yeah. Yes, ma. Amitabh, for any course information, please find out from the office. This is only I can say. For any course information from KVRs or batches, please contact the office people. Okay. Right. Please contact. Okay. Don't mind for this. Okay. Right. Fine. Now, Anvita, try ma. I send the zip file. Please take somebody's help and then try to open. Okay. Right. So Miland, yeah, I will show you that ma text file. How to open. Next class is there na. I will go for it. Okay. If anybody did not get opened, I will send you separate files. Okay na. Separate files I will send you. Like a normal day, I will send separate files. Okay na? Okay. Right. Come on to the point of it. Yes, ma. Yes, C language, it's not possible to take nowadays, ma. Because in the beginning in the sense last summer time we taken it. C language I may not take at present. In place of that, you may receive some videos. You may receive my videos. It is going on the video shooting, right? So going to that. Yes, ma. Amitabh, we can teach that, ma. But so many batches are there, so many subjects are there, but time slots are very less. That's why we are taking most trending courses now. Okay. You can expect me that also. Data structures using Python also, because once you know Python very well, data structures is dead easy. Because the data structures concept coding we will write using Python. You can write with Java, you can write with C++. The most secret is what? Language perfect, programming is dead easy, not at all difficult. So no, data structures means what? Collections in data. Collections are nothing but what? Data structures in this batch I did not say, ma. Amitabh. That is different. Okay, now. Fine. So let us we will do it. Look at all of you once. Here it is there. Syntax is there. How many syntaxes are there? How many syntaxes? One syntax. By using open. With open. That is tomorrow's class I will explain. Okay. Shall I stop the class now? Shall we stop the class now? Yes. Yes, ma. Tomorrow class is there. Saifuddin, class is there, ma. Saifuddin, class is there, ma. Tomorrow class is there. Okay, right. Yes. Thank you. Good day. All the best. Right.